Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making lemon cake mix cookies. For our ingredients, we have lemon cake mix, baking powder, eggs, vegetable oil, and you can use powdered sugar. That is optional. You want to put your oven on 350 degrees. In a large bowl, you want to combine your cake mix, your eggs, and your vegetable oil. You want to line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. You want to form your dough into balls. Roll them into the powdered sugar if desired. You want to place your dough balls onto the baking sheet, and you want to bake anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. In my video, you can see that I patted my cookies and then I powdered sugared them. They came out a little bit better for me like that. But you could bake your cookies how you want to. You could roll them in a ball, or you could pat them and then put them in the powdered sugar. You don't have to add the powdered sugar. The powdered sugar just adds a little decoration to them. We have made lemon cake mix cookies. So I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.